Hello everybody, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson I want to teach you how to play the song Run to the Father by Cody Carnes. I'll play the song for you now, and then at the end of the song I'm going to explain it and break it down for you in more detail. So let's go ahead and get started.
I've carried a burden too long on my own. I wasn't created to bear it alone. I hear your invitation, let it all go. I see it now, I'm laying it down, and I know that I need you. I run to the Father, fall into grace. I'm done with the hiding, reasons to wait. My heart needs a surgeon, my soul needs a friend. So I'll run to the Father again and again and again and again. Oh, oh, oh. You saw my condition, had a plan from the start. Your Son for redemption, the price for my heart. And I don't have a context for that kind of love. I don't understand, I can't comprehend. All I know is I need you. Run to the Father, I fall into grace. I'm done with the hiding, reasons to wait. My heart needs a surgeon, my soul needs a friend. So I'll run to the Father again and again and again and again. Oh, 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 all has been in your sights long before my first breath, running into your arms is running to life from death. My heart has been in your sights long before my first breath, running into your arms is running to life from death. I run to the Father, fall into grace. I'm done with the hiding, reason to wait. My heart needs a surgeon, my soul needs a friend. So I'll run to the Father again and again and again and again. Oh, 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 again and again. Oh,
So I'm playing this song using the G chord family, and I've got my capo on the 1st fret. So we're actually in the key of G sharp. And that's just a personal preference for me. That's the way that it's easier for me to sing it in this key. If it's too high or too low for you to sing, you can always just take your capo and move it around and find the right key for you. So I'm using 5 chords from the G chord family. I'm using the G chord. We have the C add 9, E minor 7, D over F sharp, and the A minor 7. Now for the A minor 7, I'm playing it with keeping my pinky down on the 3rd fret of the high E string. That's going to make transitions easier, because if my pinky stays there, no matter where I go from the A minor 7, I'm going to need to get my pinky back here on the 3rd fret of the high E string, okay? If it's G, wherever I go, that pinky needs to go back there. So I'm just leaving it down for the A minor 7. You don't have to do that. If it's too much of a stretch for you, it's too complicated to play it this way, you can just pick your pinky up and play A minor 7 this way, okay? But if you do that, it's going to make your transitioning out of it a little bit more difficult. So it's just up to you as to which way you want to play it. We're going to be using the sway pattern for this song, which is a 3-beat strum pattern, okay? So we're going to have 3 down strums, and we're also going to be adding up strums after beat 2 and 3. And we're going to put our emphasis on beat 1, okay? So we're going to strum harder on that beat more than any of the others, okay? So I'm just going to hold my G chord and play that sway pattern for you so you can hear what it would sound like when I play it slow. 1, 2, and 3, and 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 1. All right, if you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Take care.